what's left with me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that red button down below and subscribe. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today will be a hair review on Sterly hair, and I do have it in. I received 3 bundles and a frontal, 22, 20, 18 with the 16-inch frontal. The frontal did come pre-plucked, but I went ahead and customized it to my liking. And the hair came a 1B color. I was able to process this hair for an hour, rinse the bleach out, and watercolor method it with Adore Paprika. And I got this gorgeous orange burnt copper color. Like, I was so happy. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. Everything has just been going well. So, what are the pros of the hair? The first pro is that it lightened very well the first time. I didn't have to bleach it multiple times. It lightened enough, as you could see, for me to put the color on it. So it lightens well. No shedding, no tangles. I haven't received none of that with this wig yet. And last but not least, it holds a curl. As you can see, these are heatless curls using flexi rods. If you do want a tutorial, comment down below and I will be glad to do that for you guys. But so far so good. I have no cons. I've been wearing it for about 4 days now, installed it with the Ghost Bond glue, and everything is a-okay with me. Yeah, just stay tuned. I will be wearing this over the next course of the months, and I will let you guys know, like, hands on how this hair is. So I need 2 things from you guys. I need you to hit that red button because I know you haven't done it yet. Go ahead and subscribe to join the dollhouse. And second, just go check out Sterly Hair. I will leave their Instagram and all their social medias down below, and also a website link and a coupon for you guys to get your hands on this hair. Okay, sis? Okay, I'm giving you tea. And thanks for watching, you guys.